We ask you for everyone's safety as we prepare for another new day. Amen.
Let's sing it! Come on! Happy birthday to you! Everybody sing! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Alright, guys, so let's make it faster and clap hands to the beat. Come on, guys! Happy birthday! I can hear it! Happy birthday!
Ladies and gentlemen, the national anthem for tonight's celebration, and that is the birthday song. Alright, so let's all join Captain Ronald in the singing of the birthday song, guys. We hope everyone's gonna sing with us. Lahat naman tayo kakanta ngayong gabi, okay? What she belatedly realized to pursue, and only after she finished 4 years studying Greek dentistry. The family wishes for her to finally be on track on her chosen career. Happy birthday, happy birthday. One more time. Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Louder. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you, Captain Ronald. Before you blow the candles, close your eyes and make the grandest wish on your golden birthday. And for that wish to come true, you may now blow on the candles in 3, 2, 1, blow.
And may all your dreams come true.
All right, applause everybody for your birthday boy!
Once again, everyone, let's Ellen. There's someone.
Tita Luz is Ronald's younger sister of his mommy Mirna. Or Auntie Luz is based in Abra. Ronald practically grew up with Auntie Luz as she often stays in their place when the Makapli School stopped rolling.
Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my love to you all. The love that you bring, it must have been
National career as a seaman. She She's one of Ronald's steady support in his hard days as a struggling man, a struggling seaman. Once again, dancing with the man of the hour, Ate Percy is the eldest sister of Ronald's mom. She is one of Makapili family's ardent supporters ever since the Makapili siblings were still kids. She's also based in Abra, but didn't stop her from traveling 8 hours to be with Ronald today. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Carla.
Even though it's been so long,
Ladies and gentlemen, Carla is Captain Ronald's high school teacher.
I'm kissing the rain to the sunshine. I try to deny, but I'm still in love.
Juliet Carla. For the very last dance, we have two beautiful ladies to dance to the birthday boy. This time we have Jamie Anna together with attorney Rochelle Anna. Jamie is the daughter of Jen and is a graduate student at Colegio San Agustin Makati. She's also the younger niece of Ronald, or the youngest. This time around, we have dancing with birthday boy is attorney Rochelle Anna. Che is the sensitive sister who Ronald and Bing love to tease until she cries when they were young. Her sensitive nature is in contrast to her strong personality and confidence at work as a lawyer and director of MMDA. Once again, ladies and gentlemen,
Wala kang message kay Kuya?
Ano masasabi mo?
Happy birthday!
Short message ka lang daw.
please, we have Omar Cabal. Okay, Sir Omar is the husband of Ronald's eldest sister, Big. He is from Batanes, who currently manages their family business. Go ahead, sir.
Hello, happy 50th birthday. Well, I feel lucky na naging part ako sa family who has a heart of gold. Masasabi kong may heart of gold kasi hindi pa tayo nag-limit doon. Lagi ko
Yes! Bakit?
ang maririnig ko lang are praises and admirations about your your sacrifices and selflessness, most especially sa family. Ngayon, that gold, another gold is coming to you. Golden age. With time surely will make you even better. My wish to you is, just remain the way you are now, because I know you possess all the qualities, qualities of gold. And that is, generosity. Yeah, the generosity that you have now, that is you've been showing your whole life. I wish that you remain, you keep your, cheerful personality. And anyway, just enjoy your old but gold age. Happy golden birthday.
Very well said. Thank you so much.
Gift mo! Yung gift mo! Yung gift ayaw bigay.
May gift pa na.
Yan, what's that? Oh, why that?
It's a token of your being in the gold age.
kuya, tinabi-tabi niyo yan, ha?
Just,
Wow, thank you so much. Honestly, a lawyer by profession and currently a director of Solid Waste Management Office in MMDA. What is your gift and message to the Golden Boy?
Dati sa kabupunta, makinig.
first, to represent or just as represent your personality. Amos Spidey. Kasi yung personality ni Kuya, nag-inspire talaga. Siguro, mapapansin naman natin, yung friend si Kuya na bubulot ako, ang kasama niya from high school, na-meet niya ng values, at nakasama niya na pag-uwi. Kumbaga, for me, yung personality ko kasi is ayaw ko lang. Sabi ko, Rachel, kung magsasalita ako, hindi ako pupunta.
Pero napunta siya.
Dahil kay Kuya, pinahid yung iyak ko. At kaya dito, to represent yung personality ni Kuya, it's a sparkling wine. Sinabi nga nila, parang wine tayo, na habang tumatagal, lalong sumasarap.
Wow! Woo!
But, ito pa yung isa. Ito pa yung isa na siguro surprise. Kasi for FYI, every Christmas po, meron tayong alam naman natin yung Metro Manila Film Festival. At every time po, talagang pag nandito siya, at meron niyang umaatin niya ng awards night. Alam niya lahat ng mga barkada niya, nila Kuya. At nakikita ko, lagi ko natatanong, anong meron sa awards night? Bakit si Kuya? Laging nakikita ko yung joyful, nakikita ko lagi yung ano niya. Dahil sa awards night, nare-recognize yung ginagawa natin. And for this, siguro may bibigay ako kay Kuya.
Wow! Award yan, award.
For you, Kuya.
Wow!
First platter.
Kuya Rock! Kuya Rock!
A great cool rock inspiration also.
That's why I gave you this mug. To your mug collection. Okay.
Oh, why? What's your
Mom, my mom bought it.
What's your wish? Your wish?
What's your wish?
I wish you can live long and be happy.
The most precious wish ever. Both Uncle Johnny and Auntie Percy were the people who were always there for the Makapili family, especially during their struggling year. The Rocky Mirna calls SOS.
Anak, happy birthday sa inyo. At gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, kahit malayo kami sa Abra, pupunta na rin kami dito. Dahil mahal namin siya. Kaya, nung bago panganak si Ronald, nandun na kami kay Mrs. ko na tumutulong sa kanila. Dahil doon napanganak sa Angeles. Gabi-gabi pumupunta kami kay Happy New Year na kasi natatakot sila noon na magkalaga ka ng bata kayo hindi pa kasi sanay noon. Nandun naman ako sa San Fernando, Pampanga noon, Tatrabaho. Ay malapit lang kami sa Angeles. Kasi nagbabantay silang painting gallery doon sa Panoon. Kaya lagi kami pupunta na doon. Nung maliit pa siya. Kaya maraming salamat, anak. At yung birthday na ngayon, hindi kami nakapunta dito, kundi sa inyo. At sana, wish ko lang sa inyo na sana maligaya ka lagi. At saka marami kang pagdin susunod. At sana huwag mo kaming kalilimutan.
Yes, Uncle. Thank you, Uncle!
Maraming salamat. At least tayo ng peg, no? Ang forma. Masyado ma-forma, no? Ang pinsan mo. Dina, please come join your cousin because siya po ang cousin sa father's side na mahilig mag-basketball at mag-fight. Go ahead, Insan.
Sabi ko kasi huwag mo nabi sa akin. Okay, very Roland. Wala naman dahil moment sa'yo eh. Wala naman yun, di ba? Alam mo yung mga dati, so, mga inuman, yun, di ba? Anyways, saya siya. Talagang walang dahil moment and pero first of all, happy 25th anniversary. Ang 25th birthday mo. Wish ko lang sa'yo is may you have healthy, long life, life's finest things, happy 50 years of your life, God, and yung gift ko nga kasi binigay ko sa'yo. Pag nakita nyo naman kasi parati si Roda, sabihin ko na alam sa'yo. Nakita nyo sa Facebook, actually follower ako ni Roda sa Facebook. Every time makikita ko siya sa Facebook, parati kang nakapolo. Kaya naman, di ba nakapolo ba? Anyway, sabi ko, happy birthday.
By the gang. He may have finished as a seaman, but his passion is now into firefighting. You know, isa na po siyang proud firefighter volunteer. That's again Lawrence. Go ahead, say your message to the birthday boy.
Yes, good evening. Classmate, happy birthday, kuya. Siya po kasi unang sa amin mag-birthday, sunod-sunod po kami February. Okay, pinakalas. Siya yung una, si Donis next, sa Monday. Kaya siya yung kuya namin. Ito yung yung puso ni Ronald. Ako yung pinakamaliit ng college, kaya mabunso. One time, nabully ako sa Taiwan.
Ang daming fun! Ang daming fun!
I don't idolize the Skywalker Samboy Lim. Siya lang pinaka-joker. Sakto naman po, pag walang buhok, pwede mag-joke.
Sama talaga ako dito.
Go ahead, sir.
Gusto ko mag-host, ayaw niya. Pinipilit ko, ayaw talaga eh. Makilig ka siya sa'yo, balik ko sa high school pa lang kami, kapitang ka na, di ba? 30 years, marami na kami pinagsamahang masaya, muntik pa kami makulong. Pero hindi ko nakikwento kasi
Ano yun? Kwento! Kwento!
mga suhay. Ako yung hindi kayo. Pag-usapan na lang natin. Si Ronald, ang wish ko na lang sa kanya, sana mahanap mo na. Baka lang dito lang sa loob yun. Kasi meron pa tayong classmate na dalaga dito eh. Naalala ko nga rin. Yung kwento ni Cheche na pumunta si Eden tsaka si Michael sa MMDA. Sabi daw ni Cheche, Kuya, andito yung first love mo. Kasama yung first love niya. Sana mahanap mo na. Huwag na tayo maghintay ng another 50 years. Baka di na kami maka-attend. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat. When Nick was still an engine cadet, but he is now a third engineer who just disembarked last February to migrate to Australia. Go ahead, Sir Nick.
Happy birthday. 50th birthday. As you all know, Captain Ronald is always positive, good person, good brother. Halos lahat na yata, kung naman lahat ng maganda kayo for being such a good friend to me. And thank you din sa akin na Ate Che, sa pag-adapt sa akin, Ate Bing. 9 years of friendship. About 9 years na.
Di siya sure.
Una naming sama sa barko, in-approach ko siya kasi nga masayahin yung barko. Lahat parang gustong makasama sa namin, sa company namin. Siya yung isa sa mga kapitan na parang gustong-gusto niyang lahat makasama. Eh, kung pwede lang sana isama sila lahat. In-approach ko siya na sabi ko, Sir, parang gusto kita maging kaibigan. Sabi niya, marami na akong kaibigan. Sabi niya, pero huwag ka mag-alala. Nasa waiting list ka. Update kita. But, BF, I appreciate you more than anything. Lahat ng
Sorry, English.
English yun. Hindi nag-isipan. Basta, may arthritis man o wala, hindi lang ako din. Happy birthday, and may our good Lord bless you more birthdays, and happiness, and especially good health. Thank you, BF.
Thank you so much, Sweetie. And also an aspiring debt officer. Let's hear a message.
Good evening. Happy 50th birthday, sir. Wish you lang good health, sir, kasi sa profession natin, ito yung pinaka-priority. Yung gift ko sa'yo, sir, dahil mahilig ka sa anime, ayan, para sa yan, sir. Gaaga ko ba? Ayun lang po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat. As an enhances from college and oftentimes being compared to Josh Groban. In his college years, he is also a seaman who will soon to be a captain.
Wow.
Congrats, sir.
Wow.
Yes. Magkakilala kami ni Ronald siguro ang mga 33 years na rin. So, magkakilala kami dati sa school. First na namin ko si Ronald sa ROTC. Sa ROTC kami training na sobrang init. Na walang tubig. Parang himatay na kasi. Tapos, si Ronald, nakita ko dun sa tapat ko. Kasi magkaiba kami ng parang katulad. So, nag-try ako na tawitan siya. Makainom ako kayo. Almost na all man eh. Wala ako talagang tubig. So, si Ronald talaga, yun, hindi naman basically na painumin ako. So, yun ang first na nakilala ko siya. Tapos after nun, sa long story na, naging close na kami hanggang sa bahay nila, sa Pandakan. Doon ako natutulog sa dito. So, yung iba hindi nakarating kasi so, wala akong masasabi dito sa film ko na to talaga. Hanggang sa una, tinatapa kami mga kalabona, hindi naman sa barkada ko, hanggang sa nakapag-asawang pamilya. So, nakita ko yung sakripisyo nito sa pamilya, kaibigan. Kahit sino, pag lumapit sa kanya, parang hindi na matanggihan, although minsan talaga mahirap, pero ginagawa na talaga yung mahal. Katulad nung sa tropa ko na classmate namin sila rin na nakaaway. So, siya rin mong kantulo. Kaso absent ako nun, hindi ako naka-attend. Nabalitaan ko lang sa chismisan, ito kami dalawa. So, yung mga chismis naman na sa akin, hindi ko nilalabas. Ako naman yung mapapagkatiwala niya. Pag may problema ko, pupunta to sa bahay. Tapos mag-ayaya itong TV. Ngayon, lalabas kami. Ngayon, ang gusto niya, ako na malasing. So, mali. So, pagkatapos nung, kaya gumin ako nun lasing. Malakas ako minum dati, hindi na kaya. So, uuwi kami lasing. So, yung lasing. So, ayun. So, ang wish ko sa lahat, may you all have your heart desires, best wishes, good health, and sana, yung nasa natin picture, hindi na, pinagdadasal ko rin yun. Sabi ko, hanggang kailan ba, hindi ko makapilit. Yun ang hindi na pinigwento sa akin. Sabi ko, dami na natin na bakit hanggang tataka lang. Pero sabi ko,
Almost everything of completing Pilsen High School is their shared passion in playing volleyball.
Salamat sa pag-usay ni MC at host. Actually, in-invite ako ni Ronald dito naman host sa birthday niya. Kaya lang sabi niya, simulan ko pa, paramdaman na natin yung mataas na energy mo. Kami yung tipo ng best friend na kahit na hindi nagkita, palagi kami nag-uusap, alam namin sa isa't isa. Ngayon, iniisip ko kung ibibigay ko sa kanya ng regalo. Dahil hindi sa kanya na napakarami niya, napakarami niya kapitan, sapatos, iniisip ko ano ba yung kulang sa kanya sa iyo. Kaya ito, bibigay ko sa iyo. Kasi alam ko, ito kulang ko ngayon eh. So ito, happy birthday. So, dahil 50th birthday mo na, sasabihin ko na lang sa iyo na gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mo, yung mga gusto mong gawin na malamang mo gawin. Gawin mo na. Kasi it's now or never. Happy birthday.
Palakpakan naman natin. Noel, eto na ang ating pambato. Okay guys, ha? Ang humamon!
Babalik ko
Grabe naman yun! Okay, ganito. Ito ang last man standing dahil dalawa. Okay, akala ko meron pa sasabihin sa kanya eh. Ano ba, kiss?
Kiss! Kiss!
Parental guidance, please.
Sino kiss sila dalawa?
Yeah!
Ano ba?
Kiss!
Ah, beso lang?
Beso.
Okay, Ariel, beso mo lang si Noel. Ay, Noel, beso mo lang si Ariel. Teka lang, wala pang go. Antayin mo yung go ko. Pag nag-go ako doon, okay, dito kayo sa gitna. Ayan. Okay, okay, ready? And go! Mga bossing naman siya! Make some noise! Come on!
Are you ready? Ready?
Are you talking to me? I did it.
Tonight,
Beats.